Yo, y'all know who you're rocking with. It's the exclusive look of the conversion, the bus conversion. It's junky. Well, it ain't junky, but I'm getting it though. You feel me? But look, it got a little vanity right here. I thinking my homeboy lady said she want that, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get that to her. We ain't finna start that shit. But yeah, it's nice, man. I like it. You know what I'm saying? It got my bed area back there. You know, I'm getting it together. You know what I'm saying? Probably hang me a TV up in here. You know what I'm saying? This seat can kind of swivel a little bit, but it really don't. But I'm gonna get that though for this seat right here. But got an AC unit up here, my power box, my little trash can, stuff like that. You know, I got my sink. Oh, let me move my black. I got my sink. You know, nice sink. Clean them out pretty good. I'm trying to drain that stuff out of it. This was gonna be the shower right here, but I'm not thinking I'm gonna keep a shower, honestly. I might not do a shower. Just because, you know, I gotta carry water. I gotta, you know what I mean? It's right there behind me. I have to carry water. I have to find water. I have to keep doing that. Purify the water, wash the water, all that shit. So I'm not doing that. I'd rather just spend $10 a month and go to the gym. It's 24 hours. I can do that. Man, this it. I feel good. My dog DB just posted something on his page. You know, you save up, you look back at your progress, and then shit sometimes feel unreal, and it do feel unreal, dog. It's like my efficiency on wheels, you see what I'm saying? Once it's paid for, I own it. No rent, no none of that. And I just showed y'all the amenities that came with it. So, you know, oh yeah, you ain't even tell you the best fucking my stove right there, that bad boy outfit. Look, it still got the tape on the door. I can't even open the ceiling. Look, it's still clean. I don't think the heater thing plugged up on that bit. Brand new. That's how she gonna stay, cause I don't think I'm gonna cook in here. If I cook in here, it's gonna change the walls, cause they white. You feel me? The walls white as hell in here. She did the ceiling like a sky, but you know your boy will change all that. Well, I might just paint over this part, but this part above my bed is gonna probably have like the night sky. You know, the glow lights and all that shit. So, you know, that's how I'm rocking. You feel me? This was a little quick, little peek, man. I'm getting it together. See, I got my stuff. I'm organizing where I needed to go. But I appreciate y'all support, y'all love, y'all subscriptions, and y'all shares, man. I appreciate that. Hey, but listen, this is gonna be the first time ever we gonna do a virtual housewarming. Yeah. I'm gonna go on and drop the cash app down there. This is a virtual housewarming, so y'all send that now. I wasn't expecting to get it today, but hey, Lord works in mysterious ways. So y'all send that, you heard me? Virtual housewarming. First one ever done. Coon did it. Hey, listen, I'm a little spot, man. I gotta get my clothes. I wash my clothes at my homeboy house. I'm getting it all together, man. I damn so pretty. Yeah, shout out to Quest. Shout out to Leo, man. Hey, without them, boy, that's family right there, boy. Without them, this shit ain't possible, boy. I ain't gonna even lie. Without them, this ain't possible. So shout out to them, man. They good people, man. I love them to death, dog. I ain't gonna even care. But yeah, man, y'all hold y'all head up out there, grind hard. Don't let nobody tell you can't. And do that shit to prove it. You feel me? Cool. Raw with you.